already got most of everything unboxed already, but I figured I should have filmed it earlier, but I didn't think about it until now. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I got. I ordered it on the 24th of November, and now it's December 19th, so it took almost a month to get here, but they're here. Alright. You guys will see what they are. They're both the same thing, so. But. Keys are not like knives, but let's try this one. It'll probably be a little sharper. Alright, well, that should be open enough. Alright, hold on a gosh dang minute. Got it. You guys already see what they are. Yep. I got batteries. Got two 8-amp Milwaukee batteries. I bought these or ordered these on Amazon. $213. They were actually a pretty good deal. Actually, my dad's going to be getting one of them because he don't have an 8-amp. He says, oh, I would just give you half for one. So that's what he's going to do, but there they are. So, alright. We'll unbox the other one when we get home. Alright guys, we made it to the house. I'm going to unbox this other battery. My dad's got the one in his hand. He's going to write his name on it. So, well, there's all the cars and all the glory things. There we go. Clear tape don't tear as well as other duct tape or whatever I think you want to call it. One bar as well. And in the future, I will definitely get me more. But for now, this works for now. I got 1 8 and 2 5s. And of course, my dad's got an 8 now, but yeah, those won't be charged probably until later in the night. So, all right, that's it.